By the grace of Allah, by the grace of Allah, by the grace of Allah.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد صلى الله تعالى عليه وآله وسلم. Sayyidina Anas radiallahu ta'ala anhu has narrated the hadith mentioned in Sahih Bukhari that the noble Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not eat at a dining table nor in small bowls. Further, thin bread was not prepared for him. When Sayyidina Qatada radiallahu ta'ala anhu was asked as to where the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions would eat food, he replied that they would eat at a dining mat. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, listening to this hadith, although it is not a sin to eat at a dining table, it is not a sunnah to do so either. Sadr al-Sharia, Badr al-Tariqa, Allama Maulana Mufti Amjad Ali Azmi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu has stated in the 16th part of Bahar al-Shari'at, meals are served to the rich at tables so that they would have not to bow while eating. That was a custom of the arrogant. Even today, people follow the practice of the arrogant by eating at a table. Similarly, eating in small bowls is also a custom of the rich, as different foods are served to them in small bowls or plates. The renowned commentator of the Quran, Hakimul Ummah, Mufti Ahmad Yar Khan Naimi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi has stated, it is a sunnah to bow a little in front of the food. The dining mat used by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was either made of cloth or leather or palm tree leaves. The dining mat used to be spread on the floor, and the beloved and blessed Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam would also sit on the floor to eat. Though it is not a sin to eat on a table, but the sunnah is to eat at a dining mat laid on the floor. Remember this fact, dear viewers of Madani Channel. Dignity lies in following the sunnah. Unfortunately, these days, most of the Muslims seem to have drifted away from the sunnah. The trend of eating at tables has grown even in religious families. Likewise, in weddings, people are seen eating food standing around the table without even chairs. Alas, when will we come and follow this sunnah? May Allah Azza wa Jal forgive us and have mercy upon us, and may grant us the path of following sunnah. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.
By the grace of Allah, by the grace of Allah, by the grace of Allah.